You let me know when you're ready.
Okay, ready.
Hi, my name is Roy, Roy Nina, and this is my baby girl, Lady Boots. Lady,
She's very excited. This is graduation day from the tricks class. So
Yeah.
Lady Boots is going to show us what she learned.
Yep.
Right, Roy?
Right.
Okay, so let's start off with the spin.
All right, Lady, vení. Vuelta.
Good job. And can she spin the other way?
No.
She's a one-directional dog.
It's one direction.
That's good. Paws up on my arm.
Paws up. All right, Lady, sit. No. Lady, sit.
She has to spin before she does every trick.
Ready?
Oh, that was perfect. Good job. Okay, paws up on an object.
Lady. Okay.
Good girl. She's a smarty. Touch the easy button.
Touch the easy button. This is a tricky one. Lady.
That was easy.
Lady.
Get it.
No. Your legs, lady. Lift your legs.
She likes to nose it.
Okay.
Oh.
Right
She did a little nose of it.
Yeah,
We'll give her a pass. All right, so how about the figure 8?
All right, lady, you ready? Oh, no.
Do a spin first. Good girl. Oh, that's wonderful. Very good, lady. Very nice. Okay, jump through a hoop.
Jump through a hoop.
All right, the assistant comes in to hold the hoop.
Okay. Lady. Jump.
Good job. Can she go any higher?
Yep, she can. Lady, stay. Go.
Good girl. And a little bit higher.
Let's make it challenging. Let's do it.
Yes.
Lady.
Nice job. Perfect. Okay, the soccer ball.
Alright. Lady.
Come on. He's going to touch this.
Oh, slip this ball, lady.
Do the sucker.
Lady.
Yeah, she's distracted. She sees
Yeah,
sucker.
the dog.
Okay, come on.
Lady.
Touch the sucker.
Lady.
Come on.
Lady. Vení. Come on. Come on. Lady. Soccer ball. No, soccer ball. Lady, soccer ball. Lady, soccer ball.
Good girl. Okay, shake a paw.
Okay, sit. Lady, sit. Okay. Ready? Dame la mano.
Good job.
Dame la otra mano.
All right.
Another one. Lady, otra mano.
Nice. And wave. Wave goodbye.
Okay, lady, no. Okay.
Good girl. And the finale, take a bow.
And think about lady, ready? Next feet. Lady. Down. No. Down.
Good girl. Congratulations. Nice work.